Hey everyone, and welcome to today's weekly reset video as I am resetting and getting myself up and ready for the new week that is ahead of us. I am wanting to get a few things done around the house, such as laundry, putting cleaning supplies away, cleaning, and just getting myself together and ready for this week. I'm first starting off with putting away the items that I recently purchased from Food Lion, which was paper towels, toilet paper, bleach, toilet cleaner, and Tide. I store all of the items in this little closet at the bottom in our bathroom because that is just where the extra necessities of that nature are stored in my home. Of course, while I'm already in here, I might as well go ahead and clean the bathroom instead of starting on one project and moving to another. So I am using the Miss Meyer's lilac set in my bathroom as of right now. I did take these and put these in here and switch them with the winter products that I had in here. I think I had the pine or the orange clove or something like that for winter. And so basically I am just going to be cleaning my sink as I normally do every single week because it is a bunch of like face wash on the counter. It's a bunch of toothpaste in the sink, and there's just a bunch of other things like soaps and things like that that get up in the sink throughout the week. I'm going to go ahead and clean my toilet because that's something that needs to be done on a weekly basis, but I feel like twice a week, so I normally now do it Thursdays and Mondays. That way I give myself 2 or 3 days in between each cleaning for it to need a clean. If you are a new subscriber, I wanted to say welcome to my channel, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you and welcome back. So thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Let's get some things reset together for the upcoming week. So if you have some things to do, let this video play and get some things done with me. Today I am washing about 3 or 4 loads along with Cam's bedding. So Cam has had a cold this week, and in order to get him back straight and ready for when he comes back to get rid of all of the germs that were there, I will be washing his bed sheets. I'm also washing my tub mat that we stand on in the shower. It's just a weekly thing because of how much stuff grows on it, as it's a clear mat. So I am using some of the bleach and the Persil that I just recently bought from Food Lion. Normally I just use Persil on stuff such as like my mop head or my tub mat or like my washcloths for washing dishes and other things like that. Normally I don't use it on my clothes. I prefer Tide or Gain, and then of course for her Free and Clear. So I'm going ahead and putting a brand new towel out for us as I threw the other ones in the washer. And I also feel like laundry is a never-ending situation on Sundays. It's like you're washing or you're folding or you're putting away, and it takes up a lot of time. So I really dread to do laundry, but then like once I get started, I don't want to stop. I want to get them all done. So I just try to wait until all loads are washed and dried before I start to fold them. So with my total of 3 loads, I have 2 here that I'm folding, and I have 1 in the dryer. And so basically I'm gonna be able to get these folded and put either on the bed to be put away later, or I can go ahead and put these away while I'm waiting on that last load. So normally I alternate washing bed sheets. So like one week it'll be ours, next week it'll be hers, the following week it'll be his. That way every third week it's someone different, or basically every 2 weeks it's someone different. And so with that being said, I do wash it more often if one of us has a cold or if we're not feeling well, things like that, just to get rid of like the possible spread of germs. So you see me putting Cam's stuff back on his bed and kind of getting him ready for when he comes back, as Cam spends every weekend with my grandparents. And of course, as I said on previous videos, if you are an old subscriber, that's his choice to spend time with my grandparents, and my grandparents' choice to have him over every single weekend. So I do normally fold clothes on his bed, but today I decided it's Sunday morning, he'll be home soon, I'm gonna get up and get the clothes folded on the couch. That way I feel more tempted to get them off the couch than to just leave them sitting on his bed.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound.
So not only do I need to finish getting the rest of these clothes folded and put away, I can knock these out of the park in literally less than 30 minutes. The reason for that is because I wash all of our clothes together and then Skylar's separately, because I use free and clear on hers. So I tend to make her load my last, not only so that I can fold those all at one time and get those to her, but just so that I don't mix it up and accidentally put Tide or Gain or whatever laundry detergent I am using for us for the week on her clothes. So meanwhile, I thought that it would be easier for me to vacuum, as I had just finished folding both of those loads, and I'm going to get ready to get those put away. Like I said, whether they go on the bed, whether they actually get put away while I'm waiting on her load to be done. I just wanted to make sure that I went ahead and vacuumed the carpet. I do absolutely love our carpet. It's just that it gets so dirty and filthy quickly, whether it's from being like coming in from outside on a rainy day, or whether it is from like the day after it rains and bringing dirt in here. Our carpet just like picks up a lot of dirt. And then of course I do the kids' hair sitting here at the couch, so it also picks up hair to where I have to put shoes on and basically like take my feet to the left and right to get up some of the hair that seeks into the carpet, as well as like other things. So as you guys see here, I have my shoes on and I'm showing you what I have to do. There is a little ball of red hair that's right there. So it probably is mine, but then again, it's also coming from like the kids' hair and, like I said, other dirt particles. So I am going to be looking for a new rug to put here. And I'm also vacuuming over at my desk area that I do every week, because sometimes I eat over here while editing or working on something, and maybe drop crumbs and stuff like that, and want to make sure I get it up. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum Cam's room, to get, like I said, to get him ready for the week. All of his clothes are folded and put on his bed. It just needed a good vacuum in here, as his room is in the middle of the house. So that just means like a lot of dust comes in, a lot of dirt. So therefore, I'm just vacuuming up his room. So when he comes home, all he has to do is put his clothes away. So this is the part where I'm just simply going to start taking my clothes to go put them on the bed. I did not actually put them away at this moment. I went and put them on my bed, and we'll put these away before I get in the shower later tonight. I did go ahead and put the towels and the washcloths away like I was supposed to. And I did get her load started, and finally done with that third load of everyone. So I'm just going to bust this down really quickly, and then get ready to put those to the side as well, to put away sooner or later.
Dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. Don't need you.
Just like that, I finished my third load, and I'm going to get ready to go and take these things to my room, or either to Cam's room, in the bathroom, because we still had some more washcloths. If you've made it this far in the video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, as I needed to get this weekly reset done. There were some things that I wanted to get done before I started the new week, and of course, when I just bought a can of strawberries and blueberries the other day and accidentally dropped it on top of the rug, of course I had to wash that instead of letting it sit. There were some things also that needed to be done around the house, because I just did not want to have to come home on a Monday afternoon to do them. So when I'm finally getting the chance to wash Skylar's clothes with the free and clear laundry detergent that I picked up from Target, that's just the only thing that I'll have to sit back and wait on. And to show you guys the real deal of a weekly reset, I also do both of the kids' hair. And that means that it might take me an hour per child to do the hair. With Sky, I typically try to do braids with beads. So what we did this week, in order to keep it done for at least 2 weeks and we don't have to fight with it, is to do some box braids with beads. And so with one of those things being that she... So not only does it take me an hour, maybe an hour 30 minutes for each kid to do their hair, but I also make sure dishes are done at the end of the night. I also make sure to get them into the shower as well, just to get them in the mindset of getting ready for what's to come for the rest of the week, and to get them in bed at a good time so that I can wash the dishes and to just wipe down the counters and the table, and getting my bag together and anything else that I need to do. So it's a really great way to reset with getting everything done first thing on a Sunday morning, enjoying your Sunday afternoon, and then getting your mindset back and ready to go back into the building on Monday morning with a great spirit of looking forward towards the week. So I hope that you all have enjoyed watching my weekly reset to see exactly what it is that I am doing today to get myself back in the groove and ready. So if you have enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting the subscription button down below, as well as just commenting down below if you got a couple things done with me, or if you need to replay it to get some more time, please do. I'll catch you guys in the next video.